page number 22.
22 and para. Now what happens? Ranga and the narrator, they go to Shastri, okay? And Shastri, you know, he acted in the manner as he was tutored by the narrator. But for a while, the narrator forgets that he had told Shastri to act in a different manner, okay? And then when Shastri, he begins his acting and ask him that he's seeing him from such a long time, the narrator, he forgets, okay? And he just tries to speak only this morning, but the this thing, Shastri, he cut across the narrator and says, okay, now this fine morning you completed all your plan and you came here. This is the thing. If Shastri would not have done this, okay, then the whole plan would have been ruined, and Ranga would have come to know that they had planned something. Okay. So now from next para we have to begin, beta. Which para? I'm talking to you.
There was authority in my voice, I spoke.
Okay, take out your paraphernalia. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the date. Hurry up, put the date. Paraphernalia is all the articles, all the items. तो शास्त्री को क्या निकालने को बोला? अपनी किताबें वगैरह, अपने शास्त्र वगैरह, या जिन्हें देखकर वो स्टार्स को पढ़कर बताएगा according to the plan. Okay, Arangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what is worrying him? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. Now the narrator, you know, as planned, now narrator and Shastri, they were acting. अब जैसा उन लोगों ने प्लान बनाया था उसी प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग, है ना, वो एक्ट कर रहे थे. नरेटर ने उसको बोला कि you better take out all your books and everything on astrology. And Sakshi, what is who? What is who? Yes, Sakshi.
Sorry, ma'am. My mistake.
By mistake, you people go out of your senses. By mistake, it happens. Hundreds of times I have told you not to send any messages during the class. So now the narrator asked Shastri to take out all his articles or all his books and everything on astrology, and says that Rangappa, you know, Ranga, he seems somewhat disturbed nowadays. Can you read the stars and tell what is worrying him? And today we are going to put your science of astrology to the test. Test करेंगे हम तुम्हारी astrology. Now there was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cauries, and a book of Palmyra leaves, saying, okay, अब शास्त्री ने शीट्स ऑफ पेपर निकाले, पलमायरा लीव्स की बुक निकाली और कौड़ियां निकाली, और वो कहता है ours is an ancient science, yeah, there's a story to it, but I won't tell you that story now. कहते हैं हमारी जो साइंस है ना, that is an ancient science, okay. और उसके भी पीछे एक story is there, but right now I'm not going to tell you any story. This is not a Hari Katha which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I'll tell it to you some other time. Okay. And he says that this is not a Hari Katha. This is not a story of God. Okay. Hari Katha होती है कृष्ण की, कोई कहानियां वगैरह नहीं है. जो story begin करें उसके अंदर ही many stories they come up. Okay. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And right now I'm not going to say why, because it is going to bore you, and I'll tell you some other day. Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers. Okay, super acting he was doing. Who Shastri? Okay, see the Pandits and all. You know how do they read the stars? They count on their fingers. You know, फटाफट counting वगैरह करते हैं. So similar, Shastri he also started and then asked, "What is your star?" Ranga did not know. Never mind. अब Shastri ने पूछा भाई about his star. Okay, पर रंगा को नहीं मालूम था. He did not know. शास्त्री ने कहा, okay, fine, don't worry. And then he indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone. अब शास्त्री की एक्टिंग बहुत बढ़िया थी है ना. Now he was acting in a very brilliant manner and he did somewhat more acting. He did some more calculations and then in a very serious voice he said, "It's about a girl." Okay.
Ma'am.
Shastri ne kaha, all this is about a girl. Ranga is disturbed due to a girl. But now I burst out
Excuse me,
laughing.
ma'am.
What happened, Manvil?
Ma'am, does the star means zodiac sign here or
हाँ
something
हाँ
else?
यही हो. हाँ बेटा यही होगा. शास्त्री के पास बैठा था ना वो, तो स्टार का मतलब
Okay,
जोडियक
ma'am.
साइन ही होगा. उसको अपने ग्रह थोड़ी ना मालूम है. जोडियक साइन ओनली ना, स्टार साइन उसने पूछा ना. Right? Okay. So now, now Shastri in a very serious tone, he says, he's disturbed. Why? Because it's something about a girl. I burst out laughing. The narrator, he couldn't control his laughter and he started laughing. I turned to Ranga, exactly what I had said. Who is the girl? उसको तो मौका मिल गया श्यामा को. And he said, of course, even I was telling him the same thing. He is disturbed because of a girl. But who is that girl? It was your humble servant who asked the question. Okay, and then he put up a question, and then he says, who is that girl? This question he had put up to Shastri. Shastri thought for a while before replying. Okay, of Shastri, he just thought, and then he speaks. She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. ओके. रत्ना, रतन, पर्ल. अब ये डायरेक्ट बोलता तो रंगा को मालूम पड़ जाता कि दे हैड प्लान्ड. ओके, सो ही हैड टू एक्ट. तो वो क्या एक्ट करता है? ओके, she probably has the name of something found in the ocean. Okay, the girl's name is connected to something found in the ocean. Who says? Shastri. Maybe Kamla, that is Kamal, or maybe Pachi, the moss. Okay, जो Pachi moss, वैसे तो moss का ही होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे plants भी कहे जाते हैं बेटा. Okay, must it be moss if it is not Kamla? Okay, कमला नहीं है तो कोई Pachi moss नाम से उस girl का नाम relate होता है. Who says? The Shastri. Why not pearl or Ratna, the precious stone? Ratna, the girl in Rama Rao's house is Ratna. Okay. Now they started including both Shastri and the narrator started including the guesses, Kamla, Pachi, Moss, Pearl, and then suddenly Shastri said, maybe it might be Ratan also, Yani Ratna also. Okay. Now all of it came into the mind, okay, the girl named Ratna. So yes, the narrator says the niece of Rama Rao, who is in Rama Rao's house is Ratna. Okay. Now see, when this thing was disclosed, ki she is Ratna, the narrator says, tell me, is there any chance of a negotiations bearing fruit? Now the narrator, he asked Shastri, ki, is there any chances that there might be a relation, there might be a bonding between Ranga and Ratna, the marriage might take place? Definitely, he said after thinking for some time. Okay, और शास्त्री कुछ देर सोचने के बाद he said, sure. There was a surprise on Ranga's face. Now see, Ranga was very much surprised. Shastri ke predictions all went true. सारे prediction, सारी भविष्यवाणी सही जा रही थी. And some happiness also was there on his face. I noticed it. Who notices? The narrator. Okay. But that girl is married, I said. And then I turned to him. His face had fallen. Okay. अब श्यामा जो है उसको वापस tease करता है. कहता है, but that girl, she is married. Do you remember? When Ranga, she asked about that girl, what did Shyama say?
ma'am.
She is married. Okay. उस समय श्यामा ने
Yes,
कहा था
ma'am.
ना कि वो तो शादीशुदा है. Okay. तो अब वो वापस रिपीट करता है, but that girl, you know, she is married. And then the narrator, he turns to Ranga and finds that his face had fallen. Matlab, again he has become disappointed. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
don't know
ma'am.
all that.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
may be some other girl who's suitable. I only told you what a Shastra indicated. Okay? अब शास्त्री कहता है मुझे ये सब नहीं मालूम है. I do not know about all these things, but whatever my shastra is indicating, I have told you all that. जो भी मेरे शास्त्रों में है, maybe some other girl might be there by this name and so on. Shastri said, and then we left the place. Both of the persons, both of the men, the narrator and the Ranga, they left the place. On the way, we passed by Rama Rao's house. Okay. And then on the way, they crossed Rama Rao's house. So when they reached to Rama Rao's door, what happened? See, Ratna was standing at the door. Ratna, she was standing there. And now here, they both of them stops. Narrator, he went inside. Okay. And then he came out a minute later. So I went in alone and I then came out a minute later. Who says? The narrator. Why? Because now he had to do somewhat more acting, not to just tell Ranga that I had confirmed right now. I went inside to get it confirmed whether the girl is married or not. So when he comes out, what did he say to Ranga? Surprising, this girl isn't married, it seems. Someone told me the other day that she was. आके रंगा कहता है, oh, it's so surprising. This girl, you know, she's not married. लेकिन मुझे किसी ने कहा था, somebody told me, है ना, the other day, एक दिन मुझे पता नहीं किसी ने कहा था that the girl is married. What Shastri told us has turned out to be true after all. और फिर कहता है शास्त्री ने जो भी बोला रंगप्पा, it turned out to be true. All his predictions are true. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. Okay? अब वो चीज कर रहा है, उसके मजे ले रहा है, एंड उसको ही इज किलिंग विद हिम. अब कहता है रंगप्पा, यू नो, मैं नहीं सोच सकता that you were thinking about that girl, the man, you know, the boy who had promised not to get married. You started thinking about that girl. Swear on the name of Madhvacharya is the god, hai na? And tell me, is it true what Shastri said? Now you just swear, kasam khao Bhagwan ki, and tell me ki whatever Shastri ji he told us, is it true? I do not know whether anyone else would have been direct. Okay, अब narrator कहता है directly I asked him, दूसरा directly पूछता कि नहीं, but directly I questioned to him. Rangappa, yani Ranga, he admitted, he accepted, yes, you know, and there's greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. What he said is absolutely true. Okay, and Ranga, he says, yes, this is the truth, and whatever Shastri ji he said, whatever Shastri said is really true, and his belief, you know, his confidence in Shastri, it became more strong. Shastri was at the well when I went there that evening. Now, in the evening, what happens? Ki जो narrator होता है ना, he goes to meet Shastri. He was at the well, okay, अपने कुएं पर था. I said, so Shastri Gele, you repeated everything? Yes, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. मैंने कहा, वाह भाई शास्त्री जी, you acted in a very excellent manner. You know, you repeated all the things that I told you in an excellent manner and nobody could suspect it. Ranga, he failed to suspect it. Okay, वो शक नहीं कर पाया. What a marvelous शास्त्र yours is. वास्तव में बड़ा marvelous शास्त्र है तुम्हारा. He didn't like it at all. Now this joke that was cracked by the narrator, you know, he did not like it. उसको पसंद नहीं आया और शास्त्री थोड़ा irritate हो गया, चिढ़ गया. Okay. And he says, what are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found out myself from the Shastra. What are you saying? If you wouldn't have told me, then too I would have found out, okay, from the शास्त्रास है ना, मैंने शास्त्रों से वैसे ही मैं पता कर लेता यदि तुम नहीं बताते तो भी. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. Tell me, is this what a decent man says? और शास्त्री कहते हैं कि do not forget, you know. Okay, only hints you had given, and I made everything very clear, very clear. Okay, and he did not agree with Shyama at all. Got it? Now this thing, it was not appreciated, it was not liked by Shyama. और लास्ट में वो भी थोड़ा चिढ़ जाता है कि देखो ये decent man, you know, क्या इस तरह से बात करता है जिस तरह से शास्त्री ने करी. Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for dinner. What is the occasion? I asked. Now see, beta, here the story is over. There in the above para, both of them, Ranga and Ratna, they get married, and after few years, this incident, the last para, okay, whatever happened in the last para, it takes after few years. Got it? Both of them are married. Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for dinner. What is the occasion? I said. It's Shyama's birthday. Now who is Shyama? The narrator. Right? लेकिन रंगप्पा कहता है कि श्यामा का बर्थडे, it's he's 3 now. Ratna and Ranga, they are having a son. Got it? And they have named the son to give respect to the narrator. Okay? They have given him his name. समझ में आया? उसका नाम उन्होंने अपने जो श्यामा नरेटर का नाम था ना, जिनकी वजह से दे बोथ गॉट मैरिड, तो एक रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए, एक रिगार्ड देने के लिए उन्होंने अपने बेटे का नाम भी श्यामा रख लिया. So Rangappa, he says he is 3. Now the narrator cannot be 3 years old, right? तो कौन है 3 years old? उसका बेटा. Okay, so he has come to invite the narrator Shyama on his son's birthday, whose name was also Shyama. It is not a nice name, Shyama, I said. अब narrator ने कहा तुमने श्यामा नाम क्यों रखा? It is not a nice name. I'm like a dark piece of oil cake, और got it? मैं तो बिल्कुल है ना काला हूँ. Okay, like a coal. And why did you have to give that golden child of yours such a name? अब श्यामा मेरा नाम है, मैं तो बिल्कुल काला सा ऐसा हूँ, लेकिन why did you give this name to a beautiful child of yours? What a childish couple you are, Ratna and you. I know, it is the English custom, underline. And then he scolds them कि yeah, you know, you are a childish couple. Okay, Ratna and you, बिल्कुल है ना, जैसे बच्चे हरकत करते हैं. The manner a child acts, similarly you both are acting like children. And then he says that it is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. Okay, and then he just moves on further. Shyama और आगे बात करता narrator. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who's there to help your mother to cook the food? Now he says कि there is no need to invite me, as there would be a big burden on your wife as she is pregnant now and she would alone be doing it. So he just tries to confirm that who's there to help her. Okay, and who's there to help her? Whose mother? Shyama's mother. Not Shyama, sorry, Rangappa's mother. So Rangappa, he says that yes, you know, my mother, she's not all alone to cook the food. My sister has come with her. I went there for dinner, and the narrator says that I went there on Shyama's birthday. Shyama, the little boy, he rushed to me when I walked in and put his arms around my legs. I kissed him on his cheek and placed a ring on his tiny little finger. Okay, so when the narrator, when he went there for the dinner, the little Shyama, the little boy, he came running to him and he showed his love to the narrator by just holding him, okay, his legs and all. And the narrator, he also gives love to him, kisses the little child and presented him, gifted him a ring. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the
Yes,
end,
ma'am.
the narrator, he gives an ending note. Okay, ending. He's ending up the story. So वो कह रहा है, allow me to take leave of you, reader. I am always here ready to serve you. You were not fooled. Okay. And the narrator, he writes an ending note to all the readers, hoping that they were not. Got the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Monday we'll just do the question answers, right, beta? Saturday, Sunday,
ma'am.
don't waste your time. Keep on revising. Okay.